Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for babies. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New ideas crochet baby shoes designs collection. Beautiful color crochet baby shoes designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. In this video we show you the some crochet baby shoes designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet baby shoes designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet baby shoes designs collection. These all collection are useful in winter. Thanks for watching my